Here I have Motorola Moto G8 powered Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So firstly, you have to turn your device off by holding power key, and after it turns off completely, you have to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. After the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up. After you enter this kind of menu, here you have to use volume up key to navigate and volume down to select, and you have to select the first option, recovery mode. And after that you will end up in recovery mode. Here at the recovery mode you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such options as reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data factory reset, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphics test, run local test, root integrity check, and power off. If you want to quit this mode, you can select the last option, power off, and just turn off your device, or you can select the first option, reboot system now, and restart it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.